In this video, I will show you how to turn on activity status on TikTok. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on TikTok. The first thing you're going to want to do once you've got TikTok opened is come down to the bottom and press onto your inbox. Now, once you're in your inbox, what you want to do is come all the way up to the top, and at the top of the screen, you're going to see next to your inbox this kind of little grey dot, which, as you can see in my case, my activity status is currently turned off. Now, to go ahead and turn your activity status on TikTok, what you want to do is press onto the grey dot. What it's going to do is bring up a drop-down window at the bottom. So it says here, your activity status is visible to friends. You can show your friends that you're active now or recently active. You'll see each other's activity status only if both of you turn on this feature. And when turned on, you'll be notified when your friends are online, and you'll also see their statuses in your inbox. Now, to turn this on, all you need to do, if you look at the bottom, we've got this little switch. What you want to do is give that a press, just like so. As you can see, the dot has turned from a grey to a green dot, which means we have now turned on our activity status, and that is how to turn on your activity status on TikTok. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.